In today's video, you are all going to learn about Chapter 3 Northern Plains. This is the second physical features of India. First one, you already came to know about the northern mountains, and today let you all know about this northern plains. Where this northern plains lies? This northern plains lies to the south of Himalayan regions. Right, children? Where this northern plains lies? It lies to the south of Himalayan region. This Himalayan region you already came to know. Himalayan regions, that means I am going to give a rough sketch of India map. Right, this is northern mountains. This already all came to know, and today we are going to know about the northern plains. Right, children? This part we are going to learn. This part, okay, children? This part. This is northern plains that lies to the south of Himalayan regions. It is also called as Indo-Gangetic plains. It is also called Indo-Gangetic plains. This northern plains is also called as Indo-Gangetic plains. How the land of this region, this northern mountain is? It is a land of vast plains. The name itself tells that is a plain land. That is, it's a level land. It comes between Himalayan region in the north, okay, and to the south, Deccan plateaus. The land is, how the land of northern plains is? The land is very vast plains. Right, children? It's a vast plains and level land. Level land. It's not like mountains, northern mountains. It's level land. It is between Himalayan regions, that is northern mountains, what we have already studied in our second chapter. Himalayan regions, and in the north it is Himalayan regions, and in the south it's Deccan plateau. Deccan plateaus, right, children? This northern plains lies in between northern mountains and Deccan plateau. It is between. In the north, Himalayan regions will be there, and to the south, Deccan plateaus is there. This has been stretched from Punjab in the west, right, children? Punjab in the west and Assam in the east. It has been stretched. Northern mountains has been stretched from Punjab to the west and Assam in east. It has stretched from Punjab to Assam, that is from Punjab in the west side and to the Assam in the east side. It has been stretched. Right, children? This northern mountains lies to the south of Himalayan regions. It lies to the south of Himalayan regions. It is also called Indo-Gangetic plains. This land, northern plains, is a very vast plains and very level land. It lies between Himalayan regions and Deccan plateaus. It has been Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and some parts of Assam, and Delhi also lies in this northern plains region. Right children, which are the states which has been covered this northern plains? That is Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and some parts of Assam and Delhi. Delhi also lies in this region only. As you all know that, you already came to know that in the Himalayan, in the northern mountains, many rivers has been originated. Originated means what? Alli hutti harita iradu. Those rivers are called perennial rivers. Like perennial rivers are Ganga, Brahmaputra, Satluj, Indus. These four rivers, which are perennial rivers, which has been originated in the Himalayan, that is northern mountains, are called perennial rivers, which flows in this northern plains. Right children? Which are those rivers? It's Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus and Satluj. These rivers are originated in Himalayan regions, and these rivers are called perennial rivers. Perennial rivers. Why it is called perennial rivers? I told you in the last class itself. Perennial means Varsha idi rivers tumbi harita irate. So they are called perennial rivers. These rivers are originated in mountain, that is in the northern mountains, that is Himalayas, that is in Himalayas. As this rivers flows throughout the year, they are called perennial rivers. And this rivers flows and brings fine soil. When they flow, they brings a fine soil. That soil is called as silt or alluvium. The soil, when it flows, rivers brings. Please make the note of all these points, children. Rivers brings fine soil. Fine soil. It is called what? Silt. S-I-L-T, silt or alluvium. Alluvium. This is a fine soil called silt or alluvial. In this northern plains, the land is very much fertile. Here we find alluvial soil. Soil is alluvial. We have alluvial soil in this northern plains. Alluvial soil is in this region, in this northern plains. This alluvial soil is very fertile. This alluvial soil is very fertile. This soil we find in which part? In the northern plains we find alluvial soil. Alluvial soil. It is very fertile. And as this is the because of this alluvial soil is very fertile, it makes northern plains the most fertile regions of the world. It's one of the most fertile regions of the world. This northern plains is one of the most fertile regions of the world. Right, children? We have perennial rivers which has been originated in Himalayas is Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus, Satluj. In Nalku River, in northern plains area, that is which are all the states I told you, it flows in this. In Nalku River, flow agate in states, right? As this river flows, it keeps flowing. This river brings a fine soil. A soil is silt or alluvium. A-L-L-U-V-I-U-M. It's called a silt or alluvium. And this here fertile. This made the northern plains one of the most fertile regions of the world. So, and in this region we also find many industries. Industries has been set up, like industries like paper, iron, steel, cement, jute, and many more industries we find in this northern and plains. And these factories, these industries supplies essential items to the peoples of other states. And we find these industries in Delhi, Kanpur, Ludhiana, Ambala, Chandigarh, Patna, etc. These are all called the industrial cities. We find industrial estates itself in this northern plains. And this is the land of many minerals. We find many minerals in this state. That is, the minerals are in huge quantity. We find minerals. Minerals are in huge quantity. Huge quantity, right, children? We find petroleum in Assam. Petroleum, where do petroleum we get? We get petroleum in Assam. And coal. These are all the minerals we get from the soil. Coal in Jharkhand. Jharkhand and West Bengal. And Jharkhand is also famous for its mica deposit. We get mica in Jharkhand. Jharkhand is famous for mica deposit. Right, children? These are the minerals we get in this northern plains. That is petroleum we get in Assam, and coal we get in Jharkhand and West Bengal, and mica. The Jharkhand is also very much famous for mica deposit. Right, children? And all these factories produce a large quantities, and this will be supplied to the other parts, other states of our country. The other states of the country is also dependent on this supplies, on this products produced in this factories or in these industries. And as I told you, this land is a very fertile land. Here agriculture will be their main occupation. They use scientific method, a modern scientific method of farming. So this makes ಯಾವಾಗ scientific method of ನಾವು agriculture use ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವೋ, advanced method use ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವೋ, we reap, the northern plains people reap good harvest, best ಬೆಳೆನ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಗಳನ್ನ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ. they reap good harvest because of their advanced modern scientific method of farming. And they grow here rice, wheat, maize, barley and sugarcane and grams, etc. They grow these crops in this plains, northern plains, and this will be supplied to the central and southern parts or states of India. And so this northern plains is called the food bowl of India. It is called food bowl. Food bowl of India. Northern plains is called a food bowl of India. Why, children? Because here they grow varieties of crops, as they have advanced like modern scientific methods of cultivation are supplies to the southern or central states of India. So they are called the food bowls. They give food to the other states. So they are called the food bowls of India. Northern plains is called, region peoples are called the food bowl of India. Right, children? And let us know about the importance of the northern plains. Are you all getting my points, children? Importance of northern plains. First one, importance of northern plains. And here, as I told you, the land is very fertile. It has fertile land. Because of this fertile land, varieties of crops are grown here and it has been distributed or supplied to the others like maybe other states, other people. So it is one of the important of the northern plains. And it has the climatic condition. Climatic condition is not too cold. It's not cold. It is not too cold. Right, children? The climate here, when compared to the northern mountains, we came to know about the northern mountains. How the climate will be very cold as we go higher, right? But here we find many people have been settled because here that much cold will not be there. Ashtu cold irodilla. So we find more people than in northern mountains. And the third point is good network. Good network of roads and railways. Roads and railways. Good network. That is because of level land, plain lands we find, and road will be, we will have a good network of road and railways. When we have a good network of road and railways, we can transport, we can travel from one place to another, or we can transport the goods from one place. Goods means the food grains what they have grown in this region will be supplied, will be distributed to the other states easily when there is a good network of roads and railways. These are the three importance of northern plains. One, it is a land of fertile, and the second, the climatic condition is it's not too cold, and the third one is the good network of roads and railways. When we have very good facilities of roads and railways, we can travel and we can also transport the good food grains from one place to another. So this is the three importance of northern plains. And the next point we are going to discuss is this northern plains has been divided into three basins. Right, children? Three basins divided into three basins. I'll tell you the meaning of basins first. It is an area. Basin means it's an area, geographical area drained by water and its tributaries. Tributaries here means small rivers. What I told you, the four rivers, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus and Satluj. These rivers, these are the big rivers, and for tributaries means those rivers which joins these rivers. Right, children? Small rivers are tributaries here, tributaries to these rivers. So first one is Satluj. Satluj basin in the west. Right, children? First one is Satluj basin in the west. Second one is Ganga basin. And the third one is Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra basin in the east. Right, children? We have there is this northern plain has been divided into 3 basins. Basins means what I told you, area, geographical area where this drained water is drained area drained or drained out by the rivers and its tributaries. Right, first is Sutlej basin in the west, Ganga basin in the middle, and the third one is Brahmaputra basin in the east. And today let you all know about the Sutlej basin in the west. This Sutlej basin lies towards the western parts of northern plains. Northern plains area ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆಯೋ ಅದು western parts ಅಲ್ಲಿ this Sutlej basin it is located. This is located in the states of Punjab and Haryana. Where it is located, children? It is located in the states of Punjab and Haryana. Punjab and Haryana. It is located in Punjab and Haryana. Here we find the climate is very extreme. The climate of this region is very extreme. That it is very cold in winter and very hot in summer. Here in this Sutlej basin area and this region, they don't receive heavy rainfall. The people of these plain regions, use bore wells, tube wells, canals for irrigation purpose. Daily use the water purpose. They use these types of sources. Right, children? They grow. The wheat is the main crop in this region. Which is the main crop in this region? Wheat is the main crop. Wheat is the main crop in this region. They also grow rice, barley, maize, grain, sugarcane, etc. They are growing these crops also along with this wheat. And as they don't have heavy rainfall, they make use of wells, tube wells, and canals for irrigation purpose, and they grow. Wheat is the main crop. With this crop, they also grow rice, maize, barley, grams, sugarcane, and etc. in this region. As I told you, this Sutlej basin, it lies in the western part of northern plains. Sutlej is a river, and river Beas is a tributary. River Beas is a tributary to Sutlej. This Beas is a river Beas is a tributary. Right, children? This is a small river which joins to Sutlej river. So it has river Beas has become a tributary, and it joins before this Sutlej enters to Pakistan. This river Beas enters the Sutlej river before this Sutlej river enters to Pakistan. In Pakistan enter ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ river Beas ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Right, children? This is about the Sutlej basin in the west. Where it lies? It lies in the western part of northern plains. And river Beas is a tributary. River Beas is a tributary. It joins Sutlej before it enters to Pakistan. And here the climate, here the state Sutlej basin is located in Punjab and Haryana state. And here the climate is very extreme, that is very cold in grams, cardamom, and sugarcane, and many more. They grow crops in this region. And Bakranagar is the dam which is built on this Satluj river. It is very important, children, where this Bakranagar dam, it's a dam, it is built on this river Satluj. It is built, Bakranagar dam is built in Satluj river. Right, children? Where this Bakranagar has been built, Bakranagar dam is built on the Satluj river. This is about the Satluj basin, and the other two basins we will discuss in our next class. I am going to recap what you all learned today. So this northern plains lies to the south of Himalayan regions. It is also called as Indo-Gangetic Plains. The northern plains land is a vast plains and level land. It lies between, it is in between Himalayan regions and Deccan plateaus. It has been stretched, this northern plains has been stretched from Punjab in the west side and the Assam in the east side. That means it covers the states like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and some parts of Assam. Delhi also lies in this northern plains, and we find the perennial rivers which has been originated in the Himalayas. Those are Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus, and Satluj. Right, children? This rivers, when it flows, it brings a fine soil that is called silt and alluvium. Silt and alluvium is the fine soil they bring, and here the soil, alluvial soil, is very fertile. So this northern plains is this made northern plains one of the most fertile region of the world, and we find many industries, and we have many minerals, and minerals in a huge quantity. We find petroleum in Assam, coal in Jharkhand and West Bengal, and Jharkhand is also famous for mica deposit, and these are produced in large quantities, and supplied to the other states, where they also depend on this products. Right, children? And here, as I told you, the land is very fertile. They grow varieties of crops by using scientific method of farming. When they use the scientific method of farming, they reap good harvest. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ನ ಗ್ರೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So they grow your rice, maize, wheat, barley, gram, sugarcane, etc. in this northern plains, and these what they grow in Vilitaro, it will be supplied to the central and the southern states of India. So this northern plains is called the food bowl of India. Right? It is supplied to the most of the states, so they are called the food bowl of India. Importance of northern plains: it has fertile land, so they grow varieties of crops and they supply. And climate in this region, northern plain is not very cold when compared to northern mountains. So people are in large numbers. And the third point is we find a good network of roads and railways, so we have very good transportation facilities. And there are three basins. Those are Satluj basins, Ganga basins, and Brahmaputra basin in the east. Satluj basin in the west. This river lies to the western part of northern plains, and river below us is a tributary river. Here this is located in Punjab and Haryana. Wheat is their main crop, With this crop, they also grow rice, maize, barley, gram, etc. And Bakra Nangal Dam is built on this Satluj river. And this is about today what I have taught you. And in our next class, let us discuss about the other two basins and lifestyles of the peoples in this northern plains. Thank you all.